this video will take a quick look at campaigns, which is the core element of Optimum Feedback and essentially the part that lets you send out review requests to your customers or visitors. So what we need to do here is when you're logged onto the Optimum Feedback dashboard, click the campaigns button and campaigns from here. Now you'll see that in your new account there is already one campaign preloaded called the new customer feedback request. So we'll quickly click edit this campaign to see what the campaign is all about. Now you will see that this campaign is set up to do 4 things. So first, when new customers details are added, it will send an SMS text message to the customer immediately. Then 6 hours later, it will send an email feedback request, but only if the SMS feedback request has not been responded to. Then if this email doesn't get a click and you do not receive feedback, it will send out another text message. This happens 2 days after the new customer is uploaded. And finally, 5 days later, we will send the customer another follow-up email. Now, these steps are fully configurable, so you can remove them, you can add in new ones, you can pretty much do whatever you want based on how you would like your review flow to work. So let's just remove this second SMS from here to show you how it works. So now this is gone and we're left with a campaign of 3 steps. Now to add in new steps, all you need to do is fill out the fields on the left side. So let's add in another text message step. So let's say that we want to send the customer another text message 10 days after it's uploaded. You probably wouldn't want to do it, but just for the purpose of the training video, we'll do it. So first of all, you need to select the text message template that you want to use. Now these templates you can edit and add when you go into campaigns and message templates, but as you may have noticed, the system does come with a number of preloaded templates, so we'll just use this one for now. Now we will have this message sent when a new customer is uploaded or added, and we want to send the message after a certain amount of time, and we will take this to 10 days after the customer is uploaded. Now for text messages, we can also set to only send them during sociable hours. So that would be from 9 o'clock in the morning until 9 o'clock in the evening to make sure that nobody gets texts in the middle of the night. And we almost always want to click cancel this step if feedback has already been received, which means that the message will not be sent if that particular person has already responded to one of your earlier requests. And then you click add campaign steps, and you can see it show up here. Now, the only other thing that you need to do if you set up your locations manually rather than having us set them up for you is you have to add the campaign to a particular location, because obviously you may want different campaigns for different locations. So if you scroll to the bottom of this page, you will see this part here. Now for this demo account, we only have one location set up, so it's really easy, but otherwise you would want to choose the location from the drop-down menu here that you want to add the campaign to, and click on activate campaign. And now we're all done with this campaign. You can set up as many campaigns as you want. For this, you just go into campaigns, click on new campaign, ongoing campaign, you enter the name of the new campaign, and you'll see a familiar screen where you can start setting up the campaign steps one by one. Now later on you can always go back to the campaign screen and edit or delete each individual campaign, and you can also see campaign statistics by clicking here. Obviously this campaign has no messages yet sent out, so there's no statistics to show, but once a campaign becomes active, you will be able to see your open rates, click-through rates, and all the messages that have been sent out within this campaign.